Hey and welcome to Alt1. So in this episode we are going to trade a little on Pocket Option again. I will show you my super strategy once again and how I am trading. And also before we move on, make sure you join Pocket Option with my super account. I do have a super account where I give 60% of my own affiliate income back to you, and you will earn that as cashback. Every time you take a trade you get a little money back. So if you have accounts from before, make sure you withdraw all your money, close your account and reopen with my link that you find below the video. It's the link number 2. Then the link number 1 is actually my Discord. I'm trading live in Discord and we have a good community there where I share all my information, all my robots, everything I'll do, I share it there. So if you want to learn anything else about making money online, plus trading live on this broker, make sure you join Discord. The next live session on Discord is in Saturday. So let's get to my strategy and let's make some money today. So I think I see a trade right out of the bat. I will take a horizontal line here. And I will explain why I take a trade. You see the stochastic now is super low. I love it. And it's on 1 minute. And if we come down there, yes, we are. I did now take a trade. And now this is what I'm happy with. So we're just going to keep it there. We see that every time we come down to this region here, we get a refusement. Plus the stochastic say we have much pressure from the bottom. And when we win this trade now, we make a fast $880. That's how easy we make money with Pocket Option. So this I do live every single day. You can follow me, okay? So you can take trades like I did just right now, and you can make money together with me, okay? Now we see he's breaking down a little more. I'm not worried at all. We have more 20 seconds. He will go above our line. Just wait and see. So now let's wait more 14 seconds and this trade will be in. If not, I'm taking one more trade down here because you see that's the next area. Then we take just 2 trades. We see that this is also a region where he stops most of the time. So then we just need to wait now that he'll go above this region. So now we need to just wait more 45 seconds. And we do see where's the next region. That is about here. The next bid then will be 4,000. Let's see if it's necessary or not. Looks like it will be. And we go in there. So it's just a small martingale system we use. So you see, we go for specific regions where we are trading. He's really pushing hard downwards. Let's see how this will play out first. And last region we trade is down there. We take an easy $8,000. 5,000 is the max actually. So you just take 2 or 4,000 instead. There and there. And we take one there also. For good matters. This one will hold. Just wait and see. Motherfucker. Is going to be hard with us now. Come on, go up. I'm not going to lose this money. Let's see. Come on. There, beautiful. Beautiful, go more up. 20 more seconds, go above the 2 other ones also. Ten, 9, 8, 7, come on, go up, I know you want. 3, there. So, how did this now actually turn out? Let me take a look. I think probably I lost a little. let's take a look if we need to take some more trades. Going a little crazy today, I know. We won 3 here now. Let's take a look how this go for the day. Today, apply. Let's take a look if we need to trade more. Maybe, maybe not. Let's see. Now we need to wait till all the trades we have taken. So we have taken the amount of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades. So now we need to see if we did turn profit from this. Like I said, we did go a little hard in today. I typically do 3 line of secure. You can see we did take a little extra, but let's see. Most of the time we win on the first try, okay? But let's see. So yes, I think my entry bid was a little high. I don't like to see my account did go down to 16,000. So you see that if I do this way, we blow the account, okay? So I see I need to be a little more lower in my first bids. I think we'll keep it to the good old 100, because when you do martingale, we need to start at 100, because that will never be scary. So for myself, I will take a lower start bid, okay? This is a way so we win every single trade. I'm putting up specific areas we take the trades. I have done this in the past. It's a way to more secure more income. But now let's see. Was it 7 I said? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And do you know what? We made a trading profit of 3,680. So you see the win rate is just 43%. So in looking back, we would have started with 100, okay? So then would not be so scary. I see $1,000 for my account size is even too much. You see I have a 42,000, right? So that is too much for my account. I think I will start with 100, and then this strategy will work amazingly, okay? So then my profit would have been like 368, and I would be super happy with that also. But 3,680, that is good. So my mistake of starting too high did go good this time, but could have easily have gone bad also. So next time I will start with 100. So this is a way I'm trying now to find a secure way where we can use a little martingale, but not too much, just so we make profit every single day. Because I see the brokers are always evolving, making things more difficult for us. That means we also need to evolve a little in the market and make things more difficult for the broker, okay? So this is a part of my new strategy. I'm still working on it to make it safe so everyone can apply it, and I will make specific rules so when we trade this live, you can trade it safe and easy together with me, okay? So with that, we are done for today. I hope you did enjoy, and make sure you join with the link below the video, and make sure you take advantage of my super account, okay? So with that, have an amazing day.